Hi, this is Shankar. I am going to teach mathematics. This video is useful for 9th class and 10th class students. So today my topic is trigonometry. In subtopic square relation theorem for any acute angle theta, prove that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here our intention is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Already we know the one trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here this whole identity we are going to divide it by cos square theta. Both sides divided by cos square theta. Here sin square by cos square plus is there. Here cos square by cos square is equal to 1. 1 means 1 by cos square, dividing cos square, that's why. Here, before we are going to know the some ratios of the trigonometry, here tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, tan square theta is equal to sin square theta by cos square theta. Here secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, that implies secant square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. Here directly I am writing sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to tan square theta. This is plus, this is cos square by cos square means numerator and denominator is same, that value is 1. Directly I am writing 1 equal 1 by cos square theta, directly I am writing secant square theta. Here this tan square theta I am sending to right side, this is a positive value, I am sending to right side, it will get the negative sign. Here 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. Here secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Hence this theorem is proved. Thank you.